Welcome to How to Live. In this video, we are going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite for PS5. Yeah, to enable 2FA on Fortnite for PS5, log into your Epic's game account on a browser. Go to the account settings page, then select password and security. Scroll to the two-factor authentication section and choose either email, SMS, or an authenticator app for 2FA. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your chosen method. Once activated, you'll need to enter a verification code when logging in on your PS5. This ensures your account is secure. For your information, I'm also displaying the steps on the screen. Make sure you follow each one of them carefully. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.